How to delete a part of the video that you don't want using the VideoCook Video Editor app on Android devices. So let's just say you're already editing a video and there's a part of the video that you want to delete or cut out. So to do this, you need to insert two splits and create a separation. Now to create a separation, you want to first place the white line here in the timeline section where you want to start the delete. So for example, I want to remove from maybe here to perhaps here. So wherever this white line is, go ahead and tap on the video timeline. These tools are going to show up. You will press on split. That's going to create my first separation. Now I'll bring over the timeline to the end part of I want to remove. So move it all the way to maybe here, and I want to remove up to here. So you will tap on split again, and now you have yourself separation. So you have separated your video into segments, and now you'll tap on the middle part between the two splits that you inserted. So this is your first split, this is your second split. And by doing this, you have separated the part you want to remove. Now, once this is selected, you will see the delete option, which is also the cut function. So once you press delete, that's going to remove that part for you. And that's how you delete a part of the video you don't want. Now, if you just so happen to make a mistake and deleted the wrong part, you can always use the undo option and undo all your splits. And then you can try again the part that you actually want to remove. Like and sub.